Hi, Chris Kirk here with a quick tip, and this deals with what I call nice to haves on your airplane. So let's say that you're an aircraft owner and maybe a potential seller down the road, and you want to make the airplane for you, right? You want to customize it a little bit and make it more valuable or more worthwhile to you. So you put some things on the airplane that kind of make it a little more useful. Some of these things are like storm scopes, aftermarket visors, maybe some aftermarket fuel injectors, audio systems. I mean, this is obviously an incomplete list, but these are just a few items I came up with quickly. Here's the key though. Most of these items do not add any value to your airplane at all. So despite what the manufacturers or the salespeople of these items may tell you, you're probably not going to see it on resale. What you might see, however, is a little added marketability, and maybe the airplane will sell a little quicker than one that does not have one of these items that a buyer is looking for. But if you're hoping to increase the value of your airplane by adding some items, you have to remember this very simple rule, and that is most items that are put on an airplane are not going to add value unless they are tried and true avionics systems, engine upgrades, paint, or interior. Beyond that, you have to be very careful about what you spend your money on if you're hoping to get a big rate of return. If you have any questions about that or what we typically see in the market, please give us a call anytime. Our number is 888-773-4249. Thanks so much for watching.